So what's up YouTube? This is Little Gun back again with another episode. Like I always have been telling you guys that there isn't like completely perfect one-on-one matches between English words and Korean words. So this time I'm gonna cover how you guys actually describe the taste of a food in a various ways, right? In Korean. Just without no further ado, let's go. Basically, when your food is really nice and good and tasty and delicious, you say 맛있다, 맛있어, 맛있네. Okay? And then when you wanna describe it the opposite, when food is not tasty, it's bad, it's not good, it's not nice, you just say 맛없다, 맛없어, 맛있네. Okay? Next. Sometimes, you know, like when you have a steak, it's very tender and very smooth. In that case, you say 부드럽다, 부드럽네, 부드러워. Okay? And then for example, like pizza. If pizza has so much, like way too much cheese on it, like it could be really oily and cheesy, right? In that case, you say 느끼하다, 느끼해, 느끼하네, or 기름지다, 기름져, 기름지네. Okay? Talking about 기름 is actually a directly translated oil. So when you say 기름지다, it means it's oily. Okay? I'm sorry. Then when you take a pill, or like when you have a cup of coffee which is really bitter, in that case you say 쓰다, 써, 쓰네. Okay? And then when you have like kimchi, it's really salty, right? And you say 짜다, 짜, 짜네. Okay? And and then sugar and candy and stuff like that. Chocolate is very sweet, right? When you wanna describe the sweet thing, you should say 달다, 달아, 다네, or 달콤하다, 달콤해, 달콤하네, or 달달하다, 달달해, 달달하네. Okay? We barely use 달달하다, 달달해, 달달하네, but yet at the same time we still use it. So if you guys have the experience of hearing those words, you probably understand what Korean people, you know, what your friends try to say. Okay? So don't skip it. And then it's just when you guys come to Korea, you're probably gonna see a lot of like spicy foods, you know, everywhere. So when you feel it's spicy, you say 맵다, 매워, 맵네. Okay? And sometimes, you know, food is really like it's not seasoned enough, so it has actually no flavor in it. So in that case, you say 싱겁다, 싱거워, 싱겁네, or 무맛이야, 무맛이네. Okay? Talking about 무맛, it's very complicated word, but it's really easy to memorize, because mu means no in Chinese, and then mat means flavor in Korean. So we, you know, it's like a combination of Chinese words and Korean word. So 무맛 is basically means no flavor, right? It's bland. Okay? So you can say 무맛이다, 무맛이야, stuff like this, but we don't really use this. I mean, if foreigner use this, like Korean will be like surprised a lot, right? So don't skip it too, alright? And then yeah, the food that a lot of people actually like is something that's sweet but yet at the same time salty. It's good hella combination. Okay, so it's actually Korean slang, but there is a certain word, a slang that express and describe salty and sweet, which is 단짠단짠. So for example, when you are craving for some like sweet and salty food, and you will say 단짠단짠한 음식이 땡긴다. In this context, 땡긴다 is to crave for. So when you when there is a certain food that you really want to have right now, and you've been missing your your mother's cook a lot, and you say 땡긴다. Okay, man, it's hard to explain it. I mean, whew. Okay, let me take a bite of pizza a little bit. This one is actually 단짠단짠. Like, pepperoni is very salty, and we actually have a sweet potato in it, so it's sweet and salty. 단짠단짠. This pizza is really 단짠단짠. Okay, and then last but not least, when you guys want to like highlight the taste, you always add 진짜, 매우, 너무 before the word. For example, 진짜 쓰다, 매우 달다, 너무 맵다. But when we have like casual conversation with friends, we don't really use 매우, because it sounds a little scripted and awkward. So in casual conversation, so just memorize 진짜 or 너무. So this is it for today. I gotta bounce to a pizza. I'm out. Okay.